Have you ever felt like the one who lifts everyone up, but secretly wonder who's lifting me up? That's what we're going to talk about today, because this is something that's extremely important that we need to get out. I want you to know that I'm Coach Anthony Lane, powered by Connecting Lane. And if you are ready to reconnect with your authentic self and build a life that truly lights you up, I want you to know that you're in the right place. Let's dive right on in. So, this one is especially for you. I've had so many people throughout my life that I've had these privileged conversations with. Men, women. They say to me, Anthony, I'm tired of always being the strong one. I see it in their eyes. I see it in their voice. And I've lived it also. Yeah. I remember several seasons of my life when I was in the military, when I was processing and transitioning out of the military, when people passed away, where I felt like I really couldn't break down, even though I was broke already on the inside. People came for support, and I gave it to them. I kept showing up, and I'm going to continue to show up. But on the inside also, I just didn't feel safe. I couldn't ask for help, not because help wasn't there, because, well, to be honest, I didn't know how to let go of being the strong one. You might be a mom, a dad, a leader, a big sister, big brother, the small one. It doesn't matter. You might be the boss, the fixer, but you've worn that strength like an armor. But the truth of everything, even strength needs to rest. Even a light needs to be recharged. It doesn't make you weak at all. It doesn't make me weak. I need to reset every now and then. It makes you real. I remember having this conversation. I want to apologize ahead of time if my voice started cracking, because it's about my mom. My mom was going through something, and we had this conversation, and she told me, she just started breaking down and crying. I never seen my mom cry in my 50 years of living. She said, I'm human also, and I need help. And I didn't know how to help her. So I want to ask you this one question. When was the last time that you were poured into? When was the last time you were poured into? What would it look like if you received, not because you earned it, because you're human and you matter? When was the last time you were poured into? Here's something that you can do today. Ask yourself, and really ask yourself, look yourself in the mirror. What do I need right now that I've really been pretending that I don't? What do I need right now that I've been pretending that I don't? Give yourself 10 minutes and respond. Or don't respond at all, because it will come to you. Don't let that guilt come up. Don't let those subconscious negative thoughts come up. You might need to journal it, write it down. You might need to call someone who really sees who you are, that you can't pass your bullshit through. Excuse me for cursing. It might be stepping away from what you're actually doing on your to-do list, that you have to get it done. You have to do this. You don't have to do anything. You need to take a break. or just sit down in silence. It doesn't have to be big. It could be something real small. Walk away for a minute. It just has to be honest. Honest with who? Honest with you. Honest with yourself, of course, because you really deserve it. Because honoring yourself, your own needs, on how to start strengthening yourself again from the inside out. Inside. Look inside your own heart, and that can help you. I created the Next You coaching framework for people just like you, really with my own self in mind, because I was broke for a very long time and I just didn't show it. People like you who are strong, who are ready to be supported, but they just don't know where to get that support from. You can either drop me a comment, or like I've been saying before, drop me an emoji to tell me how you really feel about what is you're really going through in your head right now. Share this with someone who really needs to hear this message. And if you're ready to stop carrying everything on your shoulders, let's talk. If you don't want to talk to me, talk to someone. Go on the inside and ask, what have I been pretending? I want to thank you for joining me. And remember, your strength is so beautiful, but you don't have to carry it all on your own. You don't have to carry it all on your own. You don't have to carry it all on your own. I'm Coach Anthony Lane. I'm helping you to connect to your true self. Powered by Connecting Lane. I'll see you next time. And remember, look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, what have I been pretending to know, but I just don't know? But you actually do know when you ask yourself that simple question. I look forward to seeing you next time. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.